Class 5, open at page 32 of your book Wings. Class 5 Wings, page 32, lesson 2. Now let's read. It was in the month of December 2018. A group of young doctors from Kolkata went on trekking. They went to Kedarkantak with a guide who was very experienced. That means in the month of December 2018, a group of young doctors from Kolkata went to trekking. পাহাড়ে চড়া, পাহাড়ে ওঠা তাকে ট্রেকিং বলে। They went to Kedarkantak with a guide. They had to take a guide because the trekking path in a mountain is sometimes very difficult to cross, and very risky. It is very risky to trek. For that they took a guide, and the guide was very experienced. That means he led many trekking parties before, and he had the experience which way the team should be guided to. Dr. Anirban Bhattacharya led the expedition. The team had a leader, and the name of the leader was Dr. Anirban Bhattacharya. On the way, they came across many hurdles. I told you that trekking path is full of hurdles. অনেক বাধা বিপত্তিতে পূর্ণ। পাহাড়ে চড়ার রাস্তায় প্রচুর বাধা বিপত্তি আছে। They came across many hurdles and had to face them with patience. They had to face the hurdles patiently, ধৈর্যের সঙ্গে। The team started climbing the hill. The team led by Dr. Anirban Bhattacharya and guided by an experienced guide. They started climbing the hill. Sometimes they were exhausted. It is not very easy to walk upwards along the hilly path. Sometimes they were exhausted, ক্লান্ত হয়ে যেত, and sat down for some time to take rest. On their uphill journey, the beauty of nature refreshed their tired mind. Though they were tired, they were exhausted, but the beauty of nature refreshed their tired mind. At night, they were staying in makeshift tents. Tents are used to house the trekkers at the base of mountains or at in the camps, in the base camps. পাহাড়ের গোড়ায় বা পাহাড়ের নির্দিষ্ট দূরত্বে ওইরকম সাময়িকভাবে তাঁবু তৈরি করা হয়, যেখানে ট্রেকাররা আশ্রয় নেয় রাত্রেবেলায়। There was the borderline of a forest nearby, সীমারেখা, borderline, সীমানা, একটা কাছাকাছি একটা বনের সীমানা বোঝা যাচ্ছে। একটা মেজারেবল ডিস্টেন্স, এটা সামান্য দূরে, মাপা যাবে এমন একটা দূরে, দেয়ার আর লোমরিজ, লোমরি বলে একটি প্রাণী কয়েকটা ছিল সেখানে। এ কাইন্ড অফ ওয়াইল্ড অ্যানিমালস, এক ধরনের বন্য প্রাণী। দিস লোমরিজ ওয়ার হাউলিং, দে ওয়ার মেকিং সাউন্ড। The sound of the lomries are called howling. The sound made by the dogs are called barking. A dog barks, an owl hoots, a fox howls like a lomri, a tiger roars, an ox bellows, birds twitter. So the different names are given to the sounds of different animals. The doctors were excited and had a thrilling experience. They were excited to see the howling lomries at a measurable distance from their camp, and they were very excited. They were thrilled. They had a thrilling experience. Some tried to go out of the tent with torches. It was night, I told you. Some of them tried to go out of the tent with torches to see the animals. But the guide forbade them. নিষেধ করেছিলেন যিনি গাইড, টু এনকাউন্টার লোমরিজ অল অফ এ সাডেন। হঠাৎ ক্যাম্প থেকে বেরিয়ে লোমরি দেখতে যাওয়া এটা ভালো নয়, তারা আক্রমণ করে বসতে পারে, তাই গাইড নিষেধ করেছিলেন। আফটার স্পেন্ডিং আ নাইট ফুল অফ সাসপেন্স, এরকম টানটান উত্তেজনাময় একটা রাত কাটিয়ে দ্য টিম অফ ট্রেকার্স, এই পর্বতারোহীর দল, ইন দি মর্নিং স্টার্টেড টু ক্লাইম আপহিল, পাহাড়ের ওপর দিয়ে উঠতে আরম্ভ করলো। অ্যান্ড বিফোর মিড ডে, দুপুরের আগে, রিচড দ্য সামিট, পাহাড়ের চূড়ায় পৌঁছে গেল, সামিট চূড়া। দেয়ার দে টুক গ্রুপ ফটোজ। আফটার রিচিং the summit, they took snaps, group photos, and enjoyed only a brief stay. They are not there for a long time. They stayed there for a brief time as the weather was inclement. Weather was not good. Weather was not fine. So bad weather is called inclement weather, stormy weather with rains, thunderstorms, that is called inclement weather. Then they came to the base camp in the evening. সন্ধ্যাবেলায় তারা আবার বেস ক্যাম্পে ফিরে গেলেন। ডক্টর অনির্বাণ ভট্টাচার্য said to the guide, "Thanks, Mr. Sharma, for your active cooperation. Now you come to know the name of the guide. He is Mr. Sharma." Thanks, Mr. Sharma, for your active cooperation. While parting, the guide in return thanked all the doctors and hugged each other. চলে যাওয়ার আগে সেই গাইড in return, মানে that means reciprocated, ওরা বলল ও পাল্টা তাদেরকে ধন্যবাদ দিল, থ্যাঙ্কড অল দ্য ডক্টরস অ্যান্ড হাগড, আলিঙ্গন করল, ইচ আদার। ইট ওয়াজ এ সাকসেসফুল এক্সপেডিশন অফ দ্য ইয়াং ডক্টরস। তরুণ ডাক্তাররা এই যে অভিযানটি করেছিল, পর্বতাভিযান, ইট ওয়াজ ভেরি সাকসেসফুল, ইট ওয়াজ এ ভেরি সাকসেসফুল এক্সপেডিশন। এই অভিযান খুব সফল হয়েছিল। ইটস এ ভেরি ইন্টারেস্টিং piece of text. You come to know from this text that a group of young doctors went on trekking in December 2018. They went to Kedarkantak with Mr. Sharma as their guide, as their experienced guide, and the trekkers team was led by Dr. Anirban Bhattacharya. They were all from Kolkata. On their way to the mountain, they came across many hurdles and faced them with patience. They did not lose patience. They were not restless. They calmly faced the situations. The team started climbing the hill. They climbed up the hill. Sometimes during trekking they were exhausted because it is not easy to climb up a hill. It is a stressed journey, and so they were exhausted sometimes and sat down for some time to take rest. On their uphill journey, the beauty of nature refreshed their tired mind. At night they were staying in makeshift tents, তাঁবু, মেকশিফট সদ্য তৈরি করা হয়েছে, সাময়িক তৈরি করা হয়েছে, সেখানে তারা রাত্রি কাটাতো। There was the borderline of a forest nearby. A forest was there and its borderline was seen. At a measurable distance there were lomris, a kind of wild animals. Lomris were found at a measurable distance, at a short distance, and they were howling. Some doctors were very excited to see them howling. They had a very thrilling experience. Some of them wanted to go out of the tent with torches to see the howling lomris, but the guide was experienced and he forbade the team members to encounter lomris all of a sudden. However, after spending a night full of suspense in the team of trekkers early in the morning started to climb uphill and before midday reached the summit. There they took group photos and enjoyed only a brief stay because the weather was not fine and they were apprehensive of the weather, so they wanted to calm down. Therefore they stayed there for a brief period. They came to the base camp in the evening, and Dr. Anirban Bhattacharya, who was the leader of the team, thanked Mr. Sharma, the guide, for his active cooperation. The guide also reciprocated by thanking all the doctors, and they hugged each other. Thus it was a very successful expedition of the young doctors. Now in this text you have encountered a number of new words which you will put down in your exercise book, and on the right side of the words you will put down their meanings, and on the further right you will try to make sentences with such new words so that you can know the usage of the words. However, now activity in page 33, activity 1, some questions are there. Who undertook trekking in December 2018? Answer is a group of doctors from Kolkata undertook trekking in December 2018. Then what refreshed their tired mind? ক্লান্ত মন তাদের আবার সতেজ হয়ে উঠছিল কীভাবে? টেক্সট থেকে পড়ে নেবে, নিয়ে উত্তর করার চেষ্টা করো। হোয়াট আর লোমরিজ, ভেরি ফাইন প্রশ্ন, ভেরি ফাইন উত্তর, এখানে খুব সহজ উত্তর আছে। অ্যান্ড you may write on this book with your lead pencils. Don't use ink pens or ball pens. Then activity 2, complete the following sentences with information from the text. These sentences are not complete, you have to complete them. Dr. Anirban Bhattacharya thanked the guide for dash, for his active cooperation. You look at the sentence at the bottom. Thanks Mr. Sharma for your active cooperation. So Dr. Anirban Bhattacharya thanked the guide for his active cooperation. This way you will fill up the other two sentences, complete. Then activity 3, true or false. On the way the trekkers faced obstacles. পথে এই ট্রেকাররা অনেক বাধার মুখোমুখি হয়েছিল, নিশ্চয়ই এখানে দেওয়া আছে হার্ডেলস আর দেয়ার, সো এটা ট্রু, টি লিখবে, বাকিগুলো তোমরা করবে। ইন দ্য নেক্সট পেজ, পেজ 34, লেটস রিড দ্য ওয়ার্ডস। অনির্বাণ ভট্টাচার্য, মিস্টার শর্মা, লোমড়ি, কেদারকণ্টক, কলকাতা, photos, tent, torches. All these words are names. So naming words are called nouns. A word that denotes the name of anything is a noun. But these are different types of nouns. Suppose Anirban Bhattacharya is the name of a person, it is a proper noun. Mr. Sharma is also a proper noun. Lomri is a class of animals, so it's a common noun. Kedarkontok is the name of a place. Kolkata is also. So these are proper nouns. But photos, it's a common noun. Tent, it's a common noun. Torches, common noun. So two types of nouns are here.